Public education on the COVID vaccine is still paramount. That from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, even as the initial $400 million campaign is to be rolled back. Mr. Holness explained why the campaign is still needed while speaking in his constituency on Friday. The $422 million public education campaign on the COVID-19 vaccine is to be scaled down significantly. In announcing the reconsideration on Friday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness echoed the fiscal concern of those critical of the original allocation.
I believe in our reconsideration that we could reallocate those resources to other areas in health. In fact, to even acquire more vaccines.
The reconsideration is attributed to Jamaicans hearing of the successful administering of vaccines in other countries. However, Mr. Holness explained that some public education will still be necessary. He noted that a large number of Jamaicans have expressed a genuine fear and so may not take the vaccine when it becomes available.
Now, if that is the case, and we go and purchase vaccines, and a significant number of Jamaicans don't take it, you have the risk of expiration of the vaccine. They don't last forever. So we have to ensure that we plan enough to educate. We reserve resources for public education to encourage persons to take up the vaccines.
The details of the revised education campaign, including the new budgetary allocation, will be announced at a later date. He says, in addition to financing the logistics and distribution, detailed information on the vaccine, including possible side effects and how to address them, will still be part of the new campaign.